are on the bus right now, heading towards the Great Wall. We took the subway to the bus station, and this bus ride, how much? 12 yuan, which is equivalent to like a couple bucks. So we're headed there, and we're really excited. It's like a 2-hour drive outside of Beijing, so we're headed out. Coming up in minutes, you will see. I wish it was minutes. Well, for you it'll be minutes. For us it'll be hours. Talk to you later. Oh my God! We're heading up to the Great Wall. Oh. When anybody ever talks about this cable car, which president made it on this cable car?
Bill Clinton.
Yes, everybody is so proud of that. What's up?
And Kobe Bryant. As our taxi driver said, Kobe Bryant.
Yeah, just a ripoff. We made it to the Great Wall. Katie, how does it feel? You're on the Great Wall right now. Whoa. How does it feel? You're on the Great Wall. This is crazy. Amazing. Of the world. Okay, so we are in tower either 13 or 16, I'm not quite sure. I know 15 or... Which one? Oh yeah? I don't know. One of the towers. And people like to mark their territory, you know, it's like say that they were here with their white rock. This guy brought a crayon, it looks like. And it looks like somebody else decided to mark their territory in a different way. Oh. Yucky. Okay, come here. Mark our territory now. Do it right here. Shit. Someone's coming.
I got someone wrote with a pen.
Someone's coming. Throw out the evidence. Beautiful. All right, so here we are at the Beijing Olympics as the bus goes by. Stadium, they call it the Bird Nest. It's so cool. The only problem is Katie and I can't figure out how to get over there. Like, there's no way, and there's a major freeway right there, and we can't figure it out. So, it's getting dark. We've been out all day, went to the Great Wall, freaking tired, and that is a Beijing dog. All right, done. Over and out.